ECDL Advanced, Word, Lesson 67, Sorting a Data Source. It is possible to sort the records in a data source in ascending or descending alphabetical or numerical order. A data source can also be queried so that only selected records are used in the mail merge. For example, to send letters only to people in a particular city. Continuing from last lesson, lesson 66, make sure the mail merge recipients dialog box is open. If we wish to sort the data alphabetically by surname, if we click on last name, we'll find the surname Daniels is at the beginning of the list because it's the first alphabetically, and at the end of the list is Strother. If we click last name again, it will now reverse it so that the records are now sorted in alphabetical order descending. So this time Strother's at the top, and as we can see, Daniels is at the bottom. To query this data source and send letters to people living in Sunderland but not to the others, use the horizontal scroll bar in the dialog box to view the city heading. So let's move across here. I'm pressing with the left mouse button and I've got as far as city. Make sure data in the city column is fully displayed, which it is now. Then click the drop down arrow on the city heading. And what we can now do is select Sunderland, and it will now sift out just those recipients that are from Sunderland. We'll also notice that the upside down triangle has actually changed from black to blue. This is to indicate that a filter has taken place. So this list has been filtered. At that point, press OK. Next, we want to view the mail merge task pane. If it's not already showing, then select mailings from the tabs at the top, start mail merge, step-by-step mail merge wizard, and we'll find that we're currently on step 3, which is where we were before. If we move to step 4, this is going to give us the opportunity to write our letter. Well, this has already been done, so we can just press next again to get to step 5. In step 5, it allows us to preview the letters. So I'm seeing here Elaine Smith for recipient 1. Now I've got Lars Nordstrom, George Dawson, etc. If necessary, we can use the Alt F9 shortcut to view the data rather than the field codes. So let's see what happens when we do Alt F9. It'll change it to the field codes. If I press Alt F9 again, it'll take me back to the actual recipients. Let's go back to recipient 1. I just want to make sure that all of these people actually live in Sunderland. So this one, Elaine Smith, is in Sunderland, Lars Nordstrom is in Sunderland, and George Dawson is also in Sunderland. Okay, we've done that. Now what I'd like you to do is to leave this file, which is called invitation, leave it open, because we're going to be using it again in the next lesson. Okay, look forward to seeing you then.